Ja Morant is a professional basketball player from the United States. He was born on August 10, 1999, in Dalzell, South Carolina. Morant played college basketball for Murray State University from 2017 to 2019. During his sophomore year at Murray State, Morant gained national attention for his exceptional performances. He led the nation in assists per game and became the first player in NCAA history to average at least 20 points and 10 assists per game for a season. Morant's dynamic playing style, athleticism, and highlight reel dunks quickly made him one of the most exciting players in college basketball. In the 2019 NBA Draft, Morant was selected as the second overall pick by the Memphis Grizzlies. He immediately made an impact in his rookie season, earning the NBA Rookie of the Year award in 2020. Morant averaged 17.8 points, 7.3 assists, and 3.9 rebounds per game during his rookie campaign and showcased his playmaking ability and scoring prowess. Since entering the NBA, Morant has continued to impress with his skills and leadership on the court. He has become the face of the Memphis Grizzlies franchise and has helped lead the team to the playoffs. Morant's ability to drive to the basket, create scoring opportunities for his teammates, and his knack for making clutch plays has made him one of the rising stars in the NBA. It's important to note that the above information is accurate as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. For the most up-to-date information on Ja Morant's career statistics and achievements, it would be best to consult official NBA sources or reliable sports news outlets.